Did you know that your Amazon account has a value by itself? Not just because of the number of reviews you have as a seller, but also because of the age. Now, browsing through Facebook the other day, this ad popped up where this company is running ads to buy Amazon accounts. They're willing to pay up to $20,000 for an account. Now, I'll break it to you. Here's the news. Some accounts are worth far more than $20,000. That's why they're willing to pay up to $20,000. But why are certain Amazon accounts worth more than others? Well, it has to do with the fact that certain rules have changed throughout the years, and Amazon grandfathered in those older accounts into the previous rules. Now, the biggest rule change was around how you get your payouts. Accounts that were made before 2016 had what is called daily payouts. That means that you could sell something today, and by tomorrow, you could hit a button and disperse all of the funds, the net funds that were due to you that next day. So literally every single day, you can hit a button and get paid every single day for the previous day's sales. That's super powerful. But they realized that they were racking up transaction fees and that this was a little bit too much. So they got rid of that in 2016. Those are the most valuable accounts. Now, again, in 2018, I would say, they enacted another change where they started holding your funds for 2 weeks after the sale. So you would accumulate this held reserve, they call it, of funds for 2 full weeks before they would pay you every second week. So you would get your payment every second week, but it wasn't going to include sales that were made inside the last 2 weeks. So sometimes you're waiting 3-4 weeks to get paid. And so your capital is tied up in an Amazon's bank account, earning them interest where they can do whatever they want with your funds and not pay you out on it. And it makes it so much harder to scale when you have to wait so long for your funds to come back. So imagine how much you're willing to pay for an account with no reserve, right? So between 2016 and 2018, or even better yet, for something that pays out every single day for the previous day. Imagine how much faster you can flip your capital and how much that will save you in cost of capital every single year as you scale your business. That's why those accounts are so valuable. Now, you have to be very careful with the way you buy and transfer these accounts. Amazon has a rule against buying and selling accounts. So you have to tie the account to maybe an entity and say, hey, this company was bought, and this company happens to own this Amazon account that came with it, right? Now, when you transfer this account, if it's been dormant for a period of time, Amazon's going to try to reset that account in a way so that those new rules where they screw you take place. So you have to be careful. There are brokers out there like these guys that are experts on what to do and what not to do, and how to transfer those accounts to certain entities, or sometimes the entity has to come with it. So if it was under a personal and then you try to tie an entity to it, it might reset it if you don't do it the right way. So I don't know all the specifics on how to do that. These guys probably do, but just be on the lookout. If you're a big seller and you've got a reserve, it might be worth, buying a new account. If you plan on investing a lot of money into a new brand, it might be worth getting an account somehow. You just got to be careful. Like I said, it's against the rules. If Amazon finds out that you did it in a certain way, they're going to end up resetting it, and you just paid 20 grand for something that you could have got today for free. So just thought it was interesting and wanted to share it with you. That was it for today.